Hello folks, my name is Kirk. I'm a product designer from London and I design some crazy outdoorsy gear. But now I'm so excited to show you this. Super Kayak. Bold name, right? But hear me out. It is because it combines three very important features: stability, speed and portability, all in one product. And that makes it very special. Let me explain. Stability is perhaps the biggest problem with kayaking. It makes the whole experience unsettling and unsafe. So now we have a twin hull setup, which makes everything more stable. It makes you feel like you can tackle some serious rapids. I had to test this to its limits before I can offer it to you. Inspired by the fastest species of the ocean, optimized and streamlined for increased speed and efficiency, these spindly float shapes give a smooth, effortless glide. This way, you can cover vast distances in a single day of paddling. Extend the range of your adventure, right? And it all packs neatly into this bag. About 15 kilograms or 30 pounds, including the pump and paddles. Take it with you to your next trip, whether it's car, hike or plane. The assembly inflation takes just 4 minutes, and it packs away in 2. Thank you so much for your support. And let's explore these beautiful water planets together. Even here in the Sahara, look at these lakes. There's hundreds of them.
Hey guys, day 3 out here in the wilderness. Lost all my friends, but it's all right because I have the Roo camping hammock by Kammok.
Designed here in Austin, Texas.
It's wildly strong, super durable, and built for life outdoors.
It comes in a water-resistant stuff set.
It sets up in seconds. And the Python straps are tree-friendly and have 18 points of connection, so you can hang wherever adventure beckons. It's abrasion-proof, tear-resistant, super breathable, and will never stretch out. Altogether, this kit can hold 500 pounds. And unlike other hammocks on the market, which sound like this, Kammok's ripstop is soft as silk and quieter than a whisper. I love you too. That means you can read, hunt, fish, and nap in peace. And if anything ever goes awry, Kammok honors a lifetime warranty and will always have your back. Hey, I put my hammock in the tree and it won't stay in the tree.
Not to worry, sir. We've got your back.
Did I mention the Roo is built for the best night's sleep you can have in the wild?
Adventure grade, better made.
We are Bumruk, and we have created a new category of beach chairs. We have taken the most comfortable aspects of our favorite backpacks and seamlessly integrated a reclining chair. It has a steel internal frame with a self-supporting 5-position hinge, topped with high-density waterproof foam, and covered in quality neoprene, designed to withstand the elements. The backpack is easily removable for easy access while reclining, or to use as your new go-to day pack. We've designed the Bumruk to be your go-to companion for biking or walking to the beach, paddleboarding, hiking, fishing, relaxing at your local park, or even studying on the campus lawn. And it's machine washable. Pretty cool, huh? Well, beach days haven't always been this breezy.
You want to go to the beach?
Dude, there's gotta be a better way.
Well, we're happy to say there finally is. Hi, I'm Scott.
And I'm Will, and for the past 8 months, we've been working our bums off to bring you the Bumruk we dreamed of.
We wanted to revolutionize the beach-going experience.
Take out the hassle and make it breezy.
Exactly, and we have. The Bumruk is finally ready for mass production. All we need is your help to reach our minimum order quantities, and we'll have your bums and Bumruks in no time.
So back us today and help make this a reality.
Thank you.